Hey guys, back for another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to get some money in Offroad Outlaws. Now we're going to go from that much money, as you guys can see on the screen right there, to this much money. Now, if that doesn't impress you, I will tell you why this is a very useful thing. Now, let's say your current money glitch, for me, is gone. It literally got banned 20 minutes ago. What we're going to do is we're going to go to, let's say you don't have the desert. You're going to need the desert for this trick. Okay, now if not, I will not be posting. I'll be showing you a clip right now on how to do this. Alright guys, so this is how you're going to make some money really quick. So let's say you don't have any other maps besides Woodlands, custom map, and that's all you're going to have. So you're going to go into Woodlands. Now this probably isn't going to work, and I'm going to say it's not going to work because, well, I'm doing this after I recorded the clip. Now if it works, now you're going to spawn over by that mud pile right there. Now you're just going to do a 180, go this way. I'll show you guys where I am on the map, and there's going to be this right here. Because I already screwed it up. I did it when you were online. You have to have your internet, you have to have every internet turned, you have to have your internet, Bluetooth, and whatever else you have, and your, on, your airplane mode, and you're just going to start the trail, do your thing. Now, what it does is it gives you Trailblazer when you do it really fast. Or not when you do it really fast, because it says, oh, wow, you made a new world record attempt. See, it's not going to do it for me because I already screwed it up and it already knows who did it. Now, I don't have a clip of me doing it because I already screwed it up. Now, you're just going to do rinse and repeat that and make some gold. And it should give you 5 to 14 gold every time you do it. And then you'll get your 50 gold, and it will work. Now, for me, it doesn't work because I did it with my internet and stuff on, and now it doesn't work. But that's how you guys do it. Really helpful. That's how you make the 50 gold to get to the desert. Alright, now, I hope that clip kind of helped you out. Sorry that it didn't really work too well for me. Here we go. You're going to go into the desert. And I would suggest a dirt bike. What did I just do with the throttle? Okay, I have no clue what I did with the throttle there. Now, you're just going to ride around looking for crates, practically. Now, I already did this before I saw the video, but there's kind of a few methods to doing this. Check your surroundings constantly, which I did not really do too well there. There we go. There's one right there. Now, as you guys can see, you can see that very easily. That's why I like the desert so much. And you can do this without the desert, but it's just the factor that you have so much room in the desert there's so much open area to find them. Now, we got 57 gold and $4,700 in 20-some seconds. Not even. You can probably count that time right there. Now, we're just going to keep riding around. I don't like this weird throttle thingy. Now, the reason why I do this because my money glitch got banned from my map, and I'm no longer a member. Because I guess when they find that you make a money glitch map or something, they take away your membership. So I'm pretty mad about that. But it's what I get really for exploiting the game and doing it publicly. So don't make exploits unless you don't care about your money. Here we go. We're just going to keep looking around here. Now, if I don't find anything in the next few seconds, we're just going to skip this. Now, there's one right there. So there was no cut there. There's no tricky stuff right there. That is simply just how fast it is to find this. Now, this one's going to be small, as you guys can see by the amount of money we got there, no gold. Now, hill climb. We're just going to keep looking around. There's literally one right there. This is a big one. We're going to get some gold here, I think. Yeah, 52 gold and $1,600. So this ain't no joke, guys. You make some good money by doing this. And it is well worth the little bit of time it takes if you can't be doing a money glitch. Money glitches or exploits are way better than doing this. But, as you know, we have some very good developers in this game, so it's kind of hard to keep one of those up. The one that I had was up for not that long. Like, not long at all. I'm going to cut until we find the next one, so we're going to cut right now. Wow. Wow, guys. I'm not even going to cut that. I'm not even going to cut that. We just found another one. This is going to be a really small one. Not too small. So far, we haven't cut once, and we found 4 or 5 crates. Now, that's really nice. This is still a pretty bad run. I found 10 crates and made 40 grand, because when I first tried this video, it didn't really work out too well. It got corrupted. Now, we're just, you know what we're going to do? We're going to find one more crate if we can. There's going to be swamp. Nope, there's another crate right there. Actually, there's 2. See how easy it is to see these things? That's what I like about the desert so much. I'll say this a few times, but the desert is just, you can find stuff so easily here. So, okay, this is going to be a good crate. Now, we're going to leave. Okay, I'm not going to do any funny cuts or anything. There's an ad, so I'm going to have to cut this. Just so you guys know I didn't do any funny business, I'm just going to not even skip that ad. Now, as you guys can see, we made 20 grand and almost 200 gold in that short amount of time. In that, I didn't cut that clip once. So in that amount of time, we made 20 grand and 200 gold. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's just a nice video if you don't have a money glitch that you can currently use. So if you guys like that, please do me a favor and click the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. That would very well help me out. I just spent $500 on the camera so I can make better vlogs and stuff.